How you doing? Dave Barodinelli here at MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you aboard the 2021 Azimut S6. Starting in the aft, you're standing on a hydraulic swim platform, as well as a tender garage that you can get a quick peek in. So you can put two tenders on this. Coming into the cockpit area, you'll notice this boat has a great entertaining cockpit, big sun pad in the aft. That covers, of course, your tender garage. Big U-shaped seating here. Beautiful carbon fiber table. This boat has a lot of carbon fiber on it, including the whole superstructure. This overhang you're looking at is all carbon fiber. Nice LED lights. Aft-facing camera for when you're docking. And this boat's equipped with triple IPS Volvo D8s. And this boat's very, very easy to handle. This boat does have joystick control as well as a bow thruster. You do have cockpit controls here on the port side. Again, joystick with your bow thruster, so very easy to put this boat anywhere. Really nice accent here, carbon fiber. Moving in, you do have a ice maker in the cockpit. Engine room access is directly below us. And coming in, like most Azimuts, this here will open up, which is really nice, as you can open up the whole cockpit into the main salon area. Coming into the main salon, port side, you've got your controls here, really nicely placed. You have a pop-up TV here, so nice hideaway flat screen TV. And on the opposite side, you do have a great U-shaped seating, nice power high-low table you can see. And this table, of course, does open up so that if you're entertaining, you can have this table here. Like most Azimuts, great use of natural sunlight, both port and starboard. Big, big windows, and those go all the way down to the gunnel, so no blind spots. Coming here on port side into your galley area, beautiful marble countertops. You have all Miele appliances, 3-burner here, Miele induction here. And then, of course, you've got your hideaway fridge, freezer drawers. And there is another refrigerator that's actually hidden right here. As we do with all our Azimuts, all your china is included. So you've got all your glasses. You've got all of your china underneath here. Everything's pre-cut. Everything's all padded, so if you're underway, nothing rattles, nothing breaks. Here on the starboard side, you've got your nicely appointed helm, acrylic dash. You can see everything's all integrated to your Ray Marine electronics as far as your air conditioners, your chop plotter, everything is all integrated, again, with your Volvo screen here for your engines. Again, joystick, bow thruster, single lever controls, and you do have a power window here so that you can get airflow in here, and you can also talk to people as you're docking the boat. Above us, we do have another skylight, which is nice. So this particular boat is the S6 model, and this boat does have a small bridge as well as the express look, but you do have a nice sunlight here so you can get more natural light in, and a electric privacy curtain you can see here. Moving our way down into the cabin area. On the starboard side, you're going to have side-by-side bunks. Again, nice natural light with the hull side windows, full hanging closet. And as we move forward, you're going to move into our guest VIP stateroom here. You'll notice this boat is enormous. We've got the squared off bow, so you've got a ton of headroom in here. And forward of that is actually the crew quarters on this boat. So the crew quarters you enter from the bow area, and again, that is ahead of this bulkhead here. But it really doesn't take away from this room, being that the beam of the boat carries forward. Really nicely finished, flat screen, Bose surround sound, everything's mirrored. You do have closets. And then inside of here, we do have our guest / day head, and you can enter from there. Or you can also enter from here, and again, full shower, really nicely appointed, beautiful sink, and of course the toilet behind the door. Moving our way into the aft, this is going to take us to the full beam master. Again, beautiful hull side windows. You'll notice the middle window does open, so you can get some cross ventilation in here. You've got a lot of headroom in this stateroom. Nice big berth. You're able to walk around the berth. Of course, again, nicely appointed flat screen TV. You do have a hanging closet here with a built-in safe. And even here, you've got a small area to get ready with makeup, storage. The boat has a immense amount of storage in it. Moving out on our starboard side here, you can see we've got our washer dryer. And I'll let you guys see the master head. So we'll move back up into our main salon. Again, nice big open feel, all one level. And I'll have Theo take you up to the bridge and give you a quick look up there. And you know, very easily you can remove these stairs with just 2 pins, and this is nice how these tuck away. And now you've got this whole area. You've got a prep station here with the freshwater sink, so if you're entertaining, now you get the feel of an express boat, but again, you've got both the best of both worlds with the bridge. Again, today we're on the 2021 Azimut S6 here in Boston. For more information, please call me anytime at 401-569-3874. Thanks again for joining us.